Meaning of hammerlock.
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 Hammerlock. Hammerlock is a term used in wrestling and describes a specific type of hold in which the wrestler's arm is twisted behind their back. This hold can be used to control the opponent or set up other moves. The name hammerlock comes from the fact that the hold resembles the position of someone using a hammer. While this move may be painful for the person being held, it is generally considered safe and is often used in professional wrestling matches as a way to showcase a wrestler's technical ability and strength.